They say all things will pass, but how long will you last? We've been through so much together. The memories flood in when I touch your leather. From high school through college and into adulthood, you've kept me going places like you should. Some people say you're ugly, junk, or beat up, but I will just roll down my window and say, "Shut the heck up." I've never had a car payment, maybe never will. Who knows how long we'll continue this thrill. 100,000 to 200,000, your mileage climbs. Old Velvet, you're the best truck of all time.